Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in the last 3 days. First, let's craft a smart study plan. You have 72 hours, so prioritize effectively. Dedicate more time to your most challenging subjects, perhaps allocating 60% of your study time there. Ensure all your notes, textbooks, and practice questions are readily accessible. A clear plan reduces stress and maximizes your remaining study period, setting a strong foundation for success. Now, let's dive into active learning. Don't just passively read, actively recall information. Use flashcards or quiz yourself on key terms and concepts. Try explaining difficult topics out loud as if teaching someone else. This solidifies your knowledge. Spend at least 1 hour each day practicing with past exam papers to familiarize yourself with the question styles and time constraints. This approach is far more effective than simply rereading notes. Prioritization is key when time is short. Concentrate on the most important topics that carry significant weight in your exam. Remember to take short, strategic breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 45 to 60 minutes of study. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh. Crucially, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's vital for memory consolidation and overall performance. On the final morning, avoid cramming new information. Instead, do a light review of your summaries or flashcards for about 30 minutes. The night before, pack everything you need: pens, pencils, calculator, and identification. Ensure you get a good night's rest. On exam day, eat a balanced breakfast and arrive at the venue at least 15 minutes early to settle in. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.